Welcome to our exploration of passive income in 2025. Today, we dive into how two powerful AI tools, ChatGPT and Claude, can transform your side hustle game. ChatGPT and Claude have emerged as leading AI tools that promise to enhance your income potential. But how do they compare? ChatGPT shines with its creativity and user-friendliness, but it can sometimes struggle with nuanced context. On the other hand, Claude offers deep analytical insights but may require a steeper learning curve for new users. Ideal use cases for ChatGPT include content creation, virtual assistants, and even brainstorming. Claude excels in market analysis, developing strategies, and forecasting revenue, making it a powerful ally for data-driven hustlers. Let's highlight some success stories where users have thrived by leveraging these tools to create a consistent passive income. Here are some tips to help you maximize your earnings with ChatGPT and Claude. Consistency and creativity are key.